Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you an Excel function to remove blank rows in Excel. So like that, I have a table with blank rows. I'm going to show you how to do this. So as usual, you can download the file right below with all the final formulas and everything. This way you can follow with me. So how do we delete blank rows here? You know what, I'm going to make a copy of it in a new sheet. This way I don't mess up with the data if I lose something. So first way we can delete blank rows. You select all the table and you do F5, shortcut F5, which is going to activate a go to menu. So usually you can enter a reference and it will send it to you. You will be sent to that reference. Now we can use a special option and we can go to all the blanks. We can select all the blank values. Okay. And if I do that, it's going to select all the blank values. So now I can just make a right click, delete, shift cells up, and it's going to shift everything up. So that's the first method. The problem with that is that if you have some missing field in your data like this, so if I do the same, I do F5, go to special blanks, okay, and now I delete it, shift cells up. You see that it has deleted all the blanks, but now since I had some missing values, it has messed up my data. So my Excel address is on the Alice row. So to avoid that, what we're going to do, we're going to add another field, which is blanks. And we're going to use the function countBlank of the rest of the table. And we can compute it for the whole table. And now for each row, we know how many blanks we have. So that's cool because what we want to remove is only the blanks where I have, the rows where I have 3 blanks. So what I can do now, I can, for example, I can do a data filter, and now I can filter and remove only the values where I have 3 blanks. You know, this way I remove only the values where everything is empty and Alice's line is still here. Another way you can do this, I can remove if, for example, if you want to remove all the rows where you don't have any email, because that's maybe the most important field to you, then you're going to do a filter and you're going to remove the blanks for the specified column. So here we're going to remove the blanks, and it's going to hide Alice's line because we don't have her email. So that's the different ways you can remove blank rows in Excel. Don't forget to download the file. It's going to be right below the video. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you will be notified as soon as I publish it. See you champions. Ciao.